can we quickly take your time and move on to what's your third surprise for us under the gift plan?
Yes. So the third option is someone who does not want the regular commitments of paying regular premium, but have a chunk of money right now and just want a single pay. So it's like a tax-free FD which we have brought in, where
Wow.
if you look, if someone who are investing and if you look FD market today, but the FD interest rates which are very low. Here in FDs, someone is also going for a reinvestment risk which is there in FD. Second, life cover is also not there in FD. And third, they are also taxable. So we have covered all this proposition where we are bringing a product where you pay for lump sum and you get a lump sum amount, that too tax free. Plus, there is no reinvestment risk, and also we are providing the cover. So if on your screen you can clearly see if someone is paying 10 lakh rupees, we are giving them lump sum tax free 16 lakh 87,000 rupees as a lump sum. So it's a tax free FD which we have brought in with a life cover, with the tax benefit, and also with no reinvestment risk, which is there in FD. So this is the product which is a lump sum gift product.
Okay, lovely. So, friends, I think this is as simple. I mean, it doesn't even really require any big explanation. This is something which each one of us who's investing money in a bank deposit or in a PPF or whatever, this is what we've been traditionally used to. I think it is a fantastic product, but thanks to ICICI Prudential, we've got two major benefits compared to fixed deposits. Firstly, that you have a single pay option. You don't have to commit for even 5, 7, or 10 years. People who have that lump sum in mind to invest can invest in this plan like an FD. They have a single shot payout at the end of the 5th or the 10th year. So exactly as you put money in company FDs or bank FDs, unlike PPF, which is a 15-year plan, this has the biggest advantage that you can keep even for 5 or 10 years. And like PPF, which gives you the tax-free benefit of the accrual, you have that. So in effect, if I were to conclude, you have the benefits of both a simple FD, but tax-free. Whereas
Yes.
and no long duration like PPF. So friends, I think this is something which is a very, very simple product and very easy to go for. The huge advantage again we have, besides non-taxability of your interest or your cumulative corpus as an FD, here you're getting a 10 times life cover embedded in it. So the person in the slide which Himmat is showing us, if he was to put a 10 lakh FD, he immediately gets a 1 crore cover. Imagine putting a 10 lakh FD in, let's say, a large company or a bank. God forbid something were to happen to the person who was invested, the bank will only give the 10 lakh back plus whatever is the accumulated interest. Here, the family in an unfortunate event can actually get back a crore. So I think, Himmat, yes, thanks. We take your point. This is, I probably feel, one of the most revolutionary yet simple products which any Indian household can take advantage of. Excellent. So these are the benefits, is it right? One-time premium, get life cover for 5, 10, or 15. There are no shorter than 5-year products here, Himmat?
Yeah. So in terms of one lump sum, there is not less than 5 years. But as I said, early income is there where individual is getting from second year.
Okay, fair enough. And you also have the benefit, friends, if you can see, just like in the case of a retail deposit, you can put even as low as 50,000. And as it says, unlimited. So it's up to you how you want to plan your finances. We are always ethical advisors. We do liquidity planning for all our clients along with long-term investing. So we will be delighted to help you with that.